Hello guys, welcome back. In this video we will see what is a private blog network and what are the things we need to consider when building a private blog network and what are the expenses needed and what are the things you need to be cautious. Okay, now we will see what is a private blog network. Private blog network, a PBN, is a network of websites with high authority domains to link to your money sites for the purpose of ranking in Google search. Okay, now you will ask what if Google find out if you are trying to rank your website with PBN. In few years back it was very easy with PBNs to rank your website, but nowadays Google is tracking these PBNs and de-indexing the sites from Google search. It will result in de-indexing the sites linking to the PBNs. I mean, your money site will be also de-indexed if they find out you are using PBN. So we need to be very careful in building PBNs. Also, if you buy a PBN links with someone whose PBN domains have very high risk, or you need to check some of the things like PBNs having any footprints. Okay, now we will see what are the expenses needed for PBNs. First thing, we need to buy expired domains. If you are an expired domain hunter or you have any expired domain subscriptions like Domcop or Spamzilla or any subscription website, you can purchase these domains that are free. I mean, you can get a domain with a DA 20 to 25 for free. If you need a high DA domains like 40 or 50, then these domains will not be available free because these are very high competitive domains and they will be already be purchased and put in auction. So you need to purchase any high DA domains in any auction sites for many $1,000 if it has a very good DA. Okay, second thing is SEO hosting. You cannot host all your site in the same hosting because it will result in a same IP for all the website, which is a big footprint for Google. So what you need to do is you need to buy SEO hosting. What is SEO hosting? If you have a 10 domains for example, then for 10 domains it will have each cPanel and each cPanel will have a different IP. So it is always best to have SEO hosting, and SEO hosting will cost, like for each domain it will cost average $2 per month, $2 to $3 per month based upon the domains. If you are hosting 100 domains, then it will cost $1.9. It's a I'm saying the approximate cost in the market currently. Okay, other things are themes and plugins. If you already have a subscription in any vault site, any WP vault site, their subscriptions will allow you to download any premium themes and plugins, then it will be better for you. Okay, another thing is setup cost. If you do not wish to set up your PBNs on your own and you wish any VA or any PBN creation services to use, then they will charge like $20. Now we will see what are the steps in creating PBN. First, we need to host a website and point the name servers of the domains to the hosting, and then install WordPress. And while creating WordPress, if you have a 10 domains, you need for creating each PBNs you need to write the details in a spreadsheet, Excel sheet. For example, if you are installing a WordPress in one domain, while you are creating, you need to enter the username and password while installing, and these username and password need to be entered in a spreadsheet so that we can, after creating 10 or 20 sites, we can easily get access to sites without forgetting the details. Okay, now the next step is removing or editing the hello world post. You know that WP automatically creates a post like hello world. We need to delete that post or edit that post with the content related to the niche of our website. Second thing, go to settings, and in discussion you will see permalinks option. In WP settings you will see permalinks option. Change that to post or category or post, because these are the SEO preferred thing. Other than if your permalink has any dates in it, then it will not be very good. You need to have a post or category post. And the next step is installing premium WP theme and plugins. Just install a random 2-3 ones. Don't install the same plugins in all your PBN sites. Also, after creating your 10 domains, you need to check, is there any same thing you are following for all your domains. If anything is same, just remove it, because don't leave any footprints. Okay, now what are the things to be considered while creating a WP site? You need to create contact, about, and privacy pages. Then just randomize your design and layout pattern. All sites should have a proper categories and structure. For example, if in default the categories will be like uncategorized section, you need to change that to general and add few other categories, like if your niche is related to marketing, then it should have SEO and AdWords. Like this, you need to just create a random categories. And make sure your homepage outbound link. What is outbound link? Outbound link is the link you are giving to other sites. Is limited to 10 to 12. I mean homepage links. Don't add more than 10 to 12. Also add some random filler pages. Filler pages means something related to your niche. Just add some filler contents. Okay, and all your posts and pages should have proper images and videos. Don't leave Google why your site is very low quality. So to fill this gap, you need to add proper images and video and make your site look like a real money site. Also, very important thing is don't interlink your PBN sites between each other. This is a major footprint you are giving to Google. Also make sure all your sites have a logo added. Okay, I hope these things will help you in creating your PBN sites.